The stew is almost ready, dears.
It smells so good.
Patience, lad. It'll be worth the wait.
Indeed it will.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Learn English Through Science channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment, and make sure you watch until the end.
We are family.
I love you.
Me too.
Together always.
Yes.
Hey, little pig, come here.
He's a friendly one.
So he likes you.
Another day. Yay! Life is good.
Yes.
Let's work. These are seeds. You plant them in the soil.
To grow plants?
Eggs, sunlight, and water.
Cool.
These are bean seeds.
Small. What do they become? Plants. Food. Work.
Put here.
Yes.
Cover it.
Good. Water it. Not too deep.
Perfect. Put it right here.
Okay.
That's it. Perfect.
Wow.
Put here.
Yes, right there.
All right then. Let's begin.
Yay, watering time.
That's it. Just like that.
It's working, Grandpa. My turn next. It's growing already.
That's it. Keep it steady.
It's soaking. My turn next. They're growing so fast.
You all did great. All right. Give it a good soak.
Okay, Grandpa. They're growing.
They sure are.
Yay!
Rain.
Yay! Good for crops. Plants grow. Nature helps. Good rain.
See the soil? It's ready for planting.
Wow, can we help?
Of course. Let's go.
Yeah, let's plant flowers. Look, it's growing already.
Wow, keep going. My turn next.
Okay, your turn.
Yay, team.
Rainbow.
So pretty. Nature is kind. Beautiful.
Yes.
This is incredible.
It's so beautiful. Yeah, this is awesome.
What a beautiful day.
It's perfect.
Whee! This is so fun. Rainbow.
So pretty.
Nature is kind. Beautiful.
Yes. Look, everyone, a rainbow.
Wow, it's so beautiful. Let's go see it closer. Yeah, let's run.
Slow and gentle.
Like this?
Yes.
Can I try?
Later.
Good job.
Careful.
All right, everyone. Big smiles.
Hey, we're a happy family.
You bet we are, sweetie.
The best. Totally.
Many eggs.
Good job. Careful. Don't break. Fresh food. Strong basket.
Look, I got all the eggs.
Wow. So many. Great job. Can I hold one? Me too.
Look at all these eggs.
Wow, so many. This is the best egg hunt ever. Let's get them home.
We cut wool.
So fluffy. It looks funny. Use your hands. Good work.
Careful. Ready to see how we shear the sheep?
Yes. Will it hurt? Cool. Let's see.
Not at all. Watch. See this wool? Watch how we shear it.
Wow, cool. Yeah.
Let's get a closer look. All right, let's show you how it's done.
Wow, he's so fluffy. Cool.
Can I try? Of course. Just be gentle.
Let them dry. Sun helps.
Warm.
Right.
Good weather.
Yes.
Wow, look at all this grain.
It's a wonderful harvest. Let's gather it all together.
Look at all this grain.
It's incredible, isn't it? A good season indeed.
Wow, so much. Look at all this grain. Can I play with it?
Go for it.
Just be careful, sweetie.
That's the spirit.
Roof is broken. We fix it. I help. Me too. Be careful. Strong work. Okay, let's fix this ladder. I'll help you. I'm climbing up. Be careful. Here I go. Wow, be careful. You're doing great. So high. Piece of cake. You're almost there. I got it. Be careful up there. I can see everything. Yes.
For birds.
For future. Good job.
Strong roots. Water well.
There we go, a nice drink for our new friend.
The soil is nice and wet now.
Great job, team.
Let's give this little tree a nice drink.
Good job, everyone. Let's pat the soil down.
It's getting so strong.
Let's give it some water.
Yay, it's growing.
Good job, everyone.
I'm patting the tree. Yeah.
All right, let's give our tree a drink.
Great. Now I'll loosen the soil.
Yay, it's growing. Our family tree.
This is a rose.
So pretty. What is that?
A sunflower. Good learning.
This name's an object.
This is a rose.
What is that? So pretty.
This is a sunflower.
Sunflower.
Learning.
Wow, look at that sunflower. It's huge. Let's get a closer look. Okay, but be careful. I will. Look at this pretty flower. Wow, it's so beautiful. Can I smell it? It smells so good. Look what I found. It's so pretty. Wow, a flower. Can I see? Me too. I picked this flower for you. Wow, it's so pretty. Thank you so much. Welcome. Birds, come here. Be kind. They are hungry. Nature friends.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye-bye. Hey there, buddy. You're so friendly. Good boy.
Starting the bloom pour now. And here is the finished pour over.